Party!
Guys, kabolt na kami.
It's finally 4 minutes na nakakatayo ako sa hotel.
Ay, ito oh. Parang night market.
Oo, ano.
Ito siya.
Pwede yan mamayang gabi.
Hindi nyo nakita guys. Pero ayun. Parang night market.
So finally guys, we're here na sa Pattaya Park. Kaya nakapag-check-in na rin kami. Sobrang taas lang nung room namin, 18th floor. Ayun siya guys. What a view!
Nice!
What a view guys!
Get the perfect view.
Dito ka. Takbo ka papunta doon. Tapos nakatingin 1, 2, 3, go.
Sa beach! What would you recommend here in Pattaya?
You have to go to the for marketing.
Good morning.
Yeah, have good.
So guys, ang ganda ng sunset na dito. Grabe. Grabe yung bango dito guys. Bango nung place nila. Sobrang bango. Ano yan?
Strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake. We gonna try that.
Favorite mo yan?
Yes.
Kami dito sa John Tiam Night Market kasi wala yung hinahanap kong live squid na kakainin mo. Alada na lang kami.
Hot.
Yeah. It's good.
Another
I
one.
like it. I like it.